Welcome to Lydia's Plate. I'm a stay-at-home mom who is homesteading together with my husband and 4 kids. We do gardening, house cleaning, all the homesteading stuff, baking bread, experimenting with gluten-free foods for one of our kids, animals, and the like. So if you like that kind of stuff, stay tuned and welcome to our channel. Hey there, friends around the world. Welcome back to Lydia's Plate. I have a delicious new recipe here for you. One of our neighbors made it for me a while back when we had a meeting, and it was just delicious. So this is 2-ingredient homemade ice cream. So simple. I mean, you can turn it into more ingredients if you want, just by adding whatever toppings and flavorings and whatever you want. But this is just your simple, basic vanilla ice cream. So here I've got the cream in my mixer and I'm beating that cream to make it whipped cream, and I've got a can of sweetened condensed milk. I put that towel over my mixer to start just so that it doesn't whip cream all over the place. That would be quite the mess to clean up, and I'd rather not. And then now I'm scooping some whipped cream into this bowl. I'm going to mix it together with the sweetened condensed milk. Once that is well combined, I will mix that mixture together with all the whipped cream. So it's not as complicated as it sounds. It sounds like that's a lot of steps, but it's really, really easy, guys, and it was so good. Dump the sweetened condensed milk mixture into the whipped cream, fold it together, and as soon as that's done, I'm going to get some saran wrap, put it over the bowl, but press it down onto this mixture so that it's touching right on there. I don't want any ice crystals to form on top of my ice cream. And I had to taste it too. It was so good. So here I'm just trying to get a little more of this whipped cream from the beaters into the mixture. Don't know that it works super great, but definitely made the whipped cream taste better for the kids and for me too. So there we go, and it's that quick and easy to clean up from it as well. And I'm still cleaning off edges and tasting it. This is just for us. It's not like we're serving it to company, but oh man, it was so good. Now one of the kids will take that to the freezer downstairs, and I'm going to finish cleaning up here a little bit. I noticed that the cord was coming off my mixer, so that was easily put back on. Now here we are the next day. I realized I had forgotten to show you what it looked like later. And so this has kind of melted a bit, and then I froze it after that. So it's kind of the same idea as any other regular ice cream, where if you leave it and it melts and then you've got that runny ice cream and then you freeze it and it's like eating melted ice cream. That's kind of what I was eating here. So I'm going to give you a couple different shots here and show you what it looked like. It tasted just like ice cream. It spooned up like ice cream, and it was so good. We've actually made another batch of it today, and we're probably going to make it with some, I don't know, some Hastings pudding or something. One of the kids was asking for pie. I think we're going to do that on Sunday as we have company coming. I think we'll have fresh homemade ice cream and pie. So anyways, guys, yeah, like this homemade ice cream, it was so simple, so easy, very few ingredients, and it was yummy, just delicious. Hope you guys have liked this video. I'm so glad to have brought you another idea of what to put on your plate. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, hit that bell if you want to be notified every time we post a new video, and I hope you're staying safe and healthy. Thanks guys, see ya!